here fucking with it today, man. Out here messing with the 8.7 today, man. Finna change out the my oxygen sensor. Place the oxygen sensor. Trying to get this motherfucker ready for Smog, man. So yeah, I really picked up the little, ordered up the AC Delco. Make sure that's the AC Delco. Yeah. Picked up this motherfucking heater cord too. Cause your boy been riding bypass for a little while, man. It's cold out in this motherfucker now, man. I've been riding it like this for a minute. Oh, this shit, I gotta go get some new clamps. Go back to the factory style clamps, cause these ones right here ain't no good. I'm just now finding out about these janky ass clamps. Yeah. The oxygen sensor, that motherfucker all the way down up in there. So I'm finna pull that up out of there, man. That heater core, I ain't even finna be able to fuck with. And the reason is, the heater box cover, this right here, once I take it off, I'm gonna need to seal it back up so it'll be watertight. And I can't find no seal, none of the sealer at none of the parts stores. So I'm gonna have to order some. I'm gonna need some automotive seam sealer. So the heater core, we're gonna have to wait on the heater core a minute. It's good that I got it though. So that'll be next. This right here I got from the freight line. Just gonna bust it loose because it's so hard to get down up in there. This motherfucker's tight. I'm finna set y'all down. Then I'm finna get up in here and snatch that motherfucker out, man. We gotta get this motherfucker smoked up, man, so we can start doing something to it. This motherfucker, we got all kind of shit to do. This motherfucker is dirty up under here. I'm trying to think, snatch all this off. That shit toe up, it's got to come down. Spider webs and all kind of shit down here, man. Watch what we put in his hands. Black Widow or something. I wanna try to fuck with this exhaust, man. Cause I wanna take that cat up off there. I'm not planning on keeping this motor in here. I wanna kinda pull it up out of there. Drop something else in there. But for now, I do want it to sound good. You get it? Yeah, so I need to take that Cadillac converter off. And make me a test pipe. I had bought a test pipe off of eBay. Got that motherfucker up under there, took my whole exhaust down. That shit wasn't even from my car. So I ended up selling that shit back on eBay. I think I'm gonna end up give me a piece of pipe and just make my own piece of test pipe so I can delete that cap. That motherfucking cap is hella restrictive. You know? Build me a little test pipe that I can bolt in and out. So I'll be good. But whenever I need the Smog, I'll just throw my cap back on there. You get what I'm doing? That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I want to do. I'm going to end up doing. old. Okay. This new one look a little different. It's AC Delco. I don't know. They're not exactly the same. This one right here is a little fatter. I guess we're gonna find out about that one, huh? So I'm finna go on and throw this back up in here. Get that connection. Man, that motherfucker trying to disappear. Dig back up in here, man. Got to be able to see. And see, the new one already come with anti-seize on it, you know. I guess it's seals too. Just tighten that motherfucker back in. As soon as I go up under there, get that fucking shit out, drop. Oh. Man, I got an oil leak. I got an oil leak at my oil pan. I got to jack up the engine a little bit just to tighten the fucking bolts, just to change the motherfucking oil pan gasket. I gotta jack up the damn engine. That's some bullshit, bro. But it's gonna have to get done. Cause all that fucking oil is leaking up out there and making a mess up under my shit. So I'm gonna have to go and get that oil pan, gasket and throw that in there, man. That's hella weak though. Jack up the engine just for fucking oil pan gasket. Come on, bro. Where they do that at? All right, let's get this back on here. Both this, straight, bruh. Come on, bruh. I'm gonna start it up just to see what it do. Cold start. I ain't started in a couple of days. Start it up. See what it sound like. I'm not expecting nothing different, but I'm hoping something different. So I got a little hesitation on acceleration. I already know what it is. It's my I be forgetting everything. I'll get back to you when I remember. That's my accelerator pump. Thinking. I know it come in the carb rebuild kit. I gotta get that. So I gotta look up the part numbers and shit so I can order one of those. It'd be the shit if that was at the parts though. That's gonna be a whole nother video though. Rebuilding the carb. Yeah, I think it's the accelerator pump. Yeah, because it ain't the throttle position sensor. I'm thinking it's the accelerator pump. Yeah, I gotta get that accelerator pump. Let me start this motherfucker up real quick. It's gonna be a cold start. I ain't started this motherfucker in days. still gotta get that oil pressure sending unit, cause that gauge right there be tripping. Let's see if it jump. Sometimes enough it could jump, but I already tested it and I already figured out what it was. The gauge is fine. The gauge worked just fine. Tested out good. But the unit though, guessing the unit's no good. You get it? Supposed to be at like 550, and I think 1100 in park.